Welcome to Rechargeable. In this video, we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is a super power turbo fan. I'm purchasing this product from the Temu website. Look at this. Exactly, I ordered this product 400,000 RPM. Portable is fan and air blow 380G. Here, the like a trust Type C charging port is available. The product price is 212 Danish krona. Link is available on video description. Now we will do unboxing, which types of product we are receiving and what exactly working this product. Let's check it out. Now this is our product, super power turbo fan. I just simply do unboxing. Inside the box, here is the magic booklet. All types of information is here. It's the different languages as well. Look at this. Here is our product. It's very compact. The C-type charging cable. They are providing USB and C, so you can charge here. If you have iPhone, so accordingly you can use the iPhone charger as well. So both are magnetic. On perspective, you just simply press twice and start, and I will show you the power exactly. This is our box. If I press here again, so speed is increased. 3 types of speed we have. If I use this one, look at this power. You can use this one like this and properly air coming from this particular circle. Actually, for my Tesla car, look at this here. 2 types of connector they are providing. First one is a bigger hole and second one is a small one. You just simply press twice. So it's fused here. Look at this here. It's really nice and worth it to purchase this product for this price. For the charging point of view, if you have the C-type charger, you can very easily charge, and here the red light is showing. After complete this charging, this light convert as a green light. So this is the simple unboxing. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Mataram.